Okay, Buster, I don't want you to be scared, but this book is about a Yeti. The Yeti and the bird. And a Yeti is a big scary monster that lives up north. We call him the abominable snowman here. Yeti and the Bird. And it's by Nadia Shireen. There's the Yeti. See how big he is? This must be the bird here. Deep in the forest, there lived a Yeti. Wow, look how big he is. He was the biggest, hairiest, scariest beast that anyone had ever seen. They're all hiding behind the rocks. There he is. Is that a scary monster, Buster? Are you scared? But Yeti was lonely. There he is, looking at his reflection in the pond. Nobody wants to be with him at all. He looks kind of sad. Sometimes it's not great to be the scariest person. Then, one day, thunk, something landed on his head. It was a bird. What do you think of that? Squawk, 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 squawk. Roar, said the Yeti. He knocked the bird right over. Now he's scratching his head. Did it scare him? No, this little bird didn't seem scared of the Yeti at all. Squeak, squeak, squeak. In fact, he's laughing. Instead, the bird told Yeti all about her journey. She seemed to think she had landed on a hot tropical island for the winter. She didn't know the Yetis live up north. Guru? Said Yeti. This doesn't seem right. And sure enough, when the bird looked for sunshine and palm trees, there weren't any. She was lost. The bird stopped bouncing and chirping. Doesn't look very happy. Yet I wasn't sure what to do with the sad little thing. So he's giving her a little pat on the head. Yeah, just like this. Nice little pat on the head. You're not scared, are you? After a while, he decided to pick up the bird and take her home. All the other animals are looking like, what is going on here? The next day, the forest woke to a peculiar sight. Yeti and the bird were playing. Look at them, look, what's going on? Grah! Said the Yeti. And Yeti was laughing with a hearty roar that no one had ever heard before. Every evening, the friends sang sweet, sad songs together which soothed all the animals in the forest to go to sleep. There they are, singing away. The little foxes are sound asleep. Yeti wished the bird could stay forever, but it was getting colder and colder, and he knew that soon his small friend would need to fly away. Look, here comes the snow, and it's getting cold, and he's trying to keep warm by holding on to him. So Yeti carefully examined the bird's map and found out where he needed to go. There he is, checking the map out, see where the bird needs to fly. Then he made sure that she was packed and ready for her long journey. She's got her suitcase out and her map, and it looks like, yep, he took some worm jam and he's making her a sandwich so she'll be able to eat on the way. There she goes. Yeti sighed. Without the bird, he was even lonelier than he was before. Until... look at that. Guru? All the animals. Some new friends came out to play. All the animals weren't afraid of him anymore, and they all came out to play. What do you think of that, Buster? You wish you had some friends to come play? Yes, you do. Maybe we'll try and find you one. And there they all are, and they're playing music, and they're having so much fun. Deep in the forest, there lives a Yeti with all of his new friends. He's playing them a song. And every now and then, an old friend pops by to say hello. Ooh, there's the little bird coming to say hello. The end.